A perfectly seared halibut fillet rests on a bed of bright, creamy lemon hummus in this vibrant, nourishing dish. With the addition of C60 Power EVOO in the hummus and marinating the sprouts that we're going to place on top, it's packed with healthy fats and anti-inflammatory benefits, making this a simple yet sophisticated meal. We're going to simply season the halibut fillet with both salt and pepper and place it on the pan that has been buttered to sear. You can also cook the little lemon next to it. To go underneath our beautifully seared halibut, we're going to make a lemony EVOO C60 powered extra virgin olive oil hummus. I am so excited. This is going to be lemony and delicious. We have about a cup of rinsed organic chickpeas. We are going to do 2 tablespoons of C60 Power EVOO. Look at the color of that amazing olive oil. Delicious. Then we're going to squeeze the juice of a lemon, and we are going to add 2 tablespoons of tahini. There it is. 1. This is delicious tahini. I've used this before and it is my favorite. There is 2. And we can't forget the garlic. And then a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to try to blend this up without water, but sometimes with my hummus, I need to add a little bit of water. Beautiful. Now that is a beautiful consistency. It's perfect. Nailed it. Okay. This is so good. Right on top of the lemony C60 EVOO. And we're just gonna put a little bit of marinated sprouts right on the top. This is a nutritious and absolutely delicious dish that you can whip up super easily. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and I may have stolen this from one of my favorite restaurants in the Hamptons. They charge a fortune for this dish, and we made it for half the price, and we amped up the antioxidant power with C60's extra virgin olive oil.